Sometimes you will have a resistor which will not have fourth band. I'm talking about the resistors which were produced a long time ago. Sometimes you can find something like that. It means that the tolerance of this resistor is 20%. So let's find the minimum and maximum value of this resistance. First, I have to find the nominal value. Blue is 6. Orange is 3. Red is telling me that I'm going to have 2 zeros. None means I have no fourth band, which is simply 20% tolerance. Next, I'm supposed to convert decimal notation to engineering notation, and I'm going to have 6.3 coulombs. Remember, anytime you will move the decimal point 3 times to left, you are going to end up with coulombs. Plus minus 20%. We have 20% tolerance because we have no fourth band. R minimum is equal nominal value 6.3 coulombs minus nominal value 6.3 coulombs times 20%, 0.2 is equal 5.04 coulombs. This is the possible minimum value of my resistor. And possible R maximum is equal 6.3 coulombs plus 6.3 coulombs times 0.2 is equal 7.56 coulombs. And this is the possible maximum value of my resistance. Again, it doesn't mean that my resistor is going to have for sure this resistance or this one. The resistance could be this one or this one, but most of the time it's going to be somewhere between these two values. So this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. First, we have to find the nominal value. Green is 5. Gray is 8. Orange, 3 zeros. Gold, plus minus 5%. I have to find R minimum. R minimum is equal nominal value 58 coulombs, because this is 58 kilo, minus 58 coulombs times 5%, 0.05 is equal 55.1 coulombs. This is the possible minimum value of my resistance. R max, maximum value of my resistance, could be 58 coulombs plus 58 coulombs times 0.05 equals 60.9 coulombs. This is the possible maximum value of my resistor. Now, please keep in mind that we're supposed to use the calculator in order to make the calculations fast, and we are going to use the keys labeled EE or EXP. Some calculators are going to have key labeled EE, or some of them are going to have EXP key. So let's say if I want to enter this expression into the calculator, I'm supposed to simply type 58 EXP3, because K represents the power of 10, 10 to the 3, so this is EXP3, plus 58 exp3 times 0.05. It will give me 60.9 coulombs. Remember, you cannot ignore these prefixes, and this is the solution to my problem.